What up, what up, what up? This your boy, Mr. Inglewood, right here in Inglewood, California, where it's all good. Because who would? Inglewood. So I'm giving you a great review, and I'm gonna give you an honest review, which is always good because you know what? People be out here faking. They be out here just saying stuff, and you know what? I'm gonna keep it 100. I'm gonna keep it a buck, and I'm gonna keep it 1,000 on whether something is good. Alright. So today I'm going to be trying out a dish called crawfish etouffee, and it's from a spot in Inglewood that is basically like a Louisiana Creole type of spot, right? So as you know, I like trying new things, and this particular dish, I'm not too much used to it. Matter of fact, I've never had it before. Only time I've ever had crawfish was like in a shell, and it was like a lot of work to get the shell off, and then once you actually get the shell off, it's like this much meat, and I'm like, no, ain't nobody got time for that. But this particular dish, it's got the shell off, and it looks like it is plenty of crawfish up in there to eat, to enjoy, to taste, to feel in the soul. So today I will be trying the crawfish etouffee, and I'm gonna give you an honest opinion, let you know what it is and what it ain't. So let's go, let's do it. Okay. Okay. Man. Now, the first thing I noticed is the tenderness of the crawfish. Second thing I noticed is the spices. Now, I don't like anything that's super spicy, just me personally, but the flavor is like bust. So when I put it on my tongue, I can taste the spices right away. And the aftertaste is like a buttery kind of taste to it. So it actually serve it over rice. And the rice is fluffy. It's a good dish. You know what I'm saying? I like it. I really do. Got a little ranch with it. You know what I'm saying? A little dip, put a little bit of ranch on there. See how that tastes? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I see why they put the ranch with it. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this is pretty good. I definitely like it. I definitely like it. And if you want to know where this spot is, go to the comment section, look in the description. I'll have the name, link to their website, and the address where you can go get you some crawfish etouffee for yourself. So this is Mr. Inglewood letting you know what's real and what's good in Inglewood. I'll see you next time. Oh, and before I go, they also have cheesecake cupcakes on deck. So I'm going to do a part 2 video for those. So look out for that video as well. Peace out.